Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to generate access control user attendance reports through the software FP Work. To do this, you need to install FP Work report generation software on the server computer that is connected to the access control system terminal. Those who are using access control systems are very familiar with UNIS Remote Manager software. This software can generate reports. But FP Work software is professional. You can generate any type of report of user attendance according to your wish. In the other video, I will show you how to install UNIS Remote Manager software and FP Work and make connectivity with the access control terminal. Now I am going to open the UNIS Remote Manager software to view the users of the organization. Click on Master Login and insert the password. Now click UNIS Monitoring Software. Here you can see that my access control terminal is connected to the computer and it indicates a green light. Now I am going to the user and click the terminal user. Here you select your terminal name and click Recall. You can see that all of the users of the access control system. Now click on Report Writer. Here I select the date from June 1st to June 30. Now I click the search button. You see those 30 days of data of all users have been shown. However, it is difficult to identify the data of each user individually. Now I open FP Work. If you did not upload terminal data on your server, first you have to import entrance data. To do this, click on Process and Import Entrance Data. Now select the duration of the entrance data. I need 15 days of data from June 15th to June 30th. I select it and click Import. The data has been imported. Now I have to click All Employees TNA process. First, select your department ID and select the same duration date. Now click on the process to continue. You see that the data is processing. Close it. Now I am going to generate the report of users. Click on the output and select Personal TNA Output. Click on the employee ID to find his entrance data. I select the duration for the last 15 days. Now click on Output. You can see that the selected user's 15 days entrance data is here. You can select off day and working day from the other panel. Now I click Output and click TNA Output Summary. Here you can see the total entrance summary data for the month of June for all of the users. Now I am going to find period TNA output data. Later I select the period for 15 days. You see all of the users' last 15 days attendance reports. To select your off days such as holidays and other festivals, go to Registration and select the work schedule setting. Here select your department. Now select all the users of this organization. Select any 7 days of a week. Click on Date Settings. You can select your off day and your work day. The system will sync your weekly data settings with the monthly data. Now click on Save. You have configured and generated the report successfully. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.